Good morning, hello, it's Ria here from Maisie Moo Design, and today I'm going to be showing you how to put together the new glasses case or cover that I've designed. It comes in three different styles. You're going to have the rounded edge, you've got the circle and the scallop, and there's variations to this. I have different sizes. Bear with me today, there's a lot to go through. This is the design where we've used the rivets on the side, and you can choose to use rivets. There's going to be pre-cut holes, or I'll have the option with no holes and you can actually just glue the sides if you wish. So I know I've been asked to make a case where there was no glue, so I've kind of covered both bases. Here we've got glue and we've got the rivets. I'm also going to include a hole for you to put a snap, but I'm also going to include it bare as well, because you might want to pop some Velcro dots, which is what I'm going to do on the one I'm showing you, or if I have time I might even do another one with some of these magnetic clasps, so we'll see how. Okay, so we'll pop this one aside. Today we're going to be making the scalloped shape, and I might actually keep this one for myself because I quite like this. You can see it's just one piece. There's no bits being glued together. I've made it so that you can cut it from one piece of faux leather, which I know is important to you. So how it works is you're simply going to fold it up. That's obviously been on another shape. Also too, what's nice about this faux leather is it's got a felty backing, which is quite soft for glasses. So if you're putting glasses in there, you don't even really need to line that. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take up your, you can see this wee sides, and you want to fold. So I like having my crease at the back. That's just a personal preference, but you can have it at the front if you want to. And what you want to do is you want to take up your rivets. Now I have a set, just a wee set that I purchased. It's been perfectly fine. You've got some really little ones, you've got medium sized ones, longer ones. So what I'll do is I'll pop these on, and I might even just fasten it up a little bit. Do I want to go for gold? I might go for gold. That's like quite pretty, and I'll speed it up while I'm doing it. Okay. Okay, so we've got the rivets on the sides. Now if you want to, if you find that there's a little bit of a flap there, you can just run a wee bit of your super glue, or just a tiny line of hot glue just to hold it down. But you can see we're getting there with our shape. And if you've got a pair of glasses, right, there are a pair of my glasses. Now this is the small one, so that's quite a snug fit with those. If you're going to be popping sunglasses in, probably too small, but these are a pair of the girls' glasses that they don't wear anymore, and they're quite little, so which would be similar size so to their sunglasses. Rightio. But it's a nice snug fit for mine, so that works fine for mine. Okay, there we go. So I've chosen with this to close with Velcro spots, which is easy enough to do because we're going to just we'll pop them on, and again I'll do this fast forward. I'm going to add a little bit of glue to mine as well, even though they're sticky, just so that they stay. So a little spot of super glue will hold them in place as well. So let's have a look. Now I could either choose to do one, I might just do one central one because your glasses are not going to be falling out anywhere. Might just pop that there. Okay, there we go. So with a spot of glue behind each of your spots, we can put our glasses in. You've got nothing sharp inside. You've got all the lining, which is beautiful and smooth on this particular faux leather. It's like felt. There we go. Perfectly simple. Now I might do another one with these to show you how they work. Right, hello there. I am going to make the rounded top cover now. You can see I've got a really pretty mint coloured lacy faux leather. It's got the lovely smooth soft felty inside, perfect for these soft covers. Okay, so once again I'm going to use the rivets. I'm going to use little ones on this one. We'll see how they go. Again, so we start from behind and I'll speed this up. There we go. So you can see we've got the sides on. Quite like the little ones. These ones here were a bit bigger. These are a bit smaller. What it means is you can use all of the ones that you get in your wee selection, really. You can see you've got a tiny fold there. So I'm just going to run a line of glue just to keep the fold down. I'll do the same on the other side. Right, and then we will attach the magnet. Now I've never used these before, so this will be the first time for me. Okay, we'll pop that. Okay, so we've got these quite tiny, but I don't think you really need big ones for this. Got these magnetic snaps, I think they're called. So I've kept my holes, and the reason I did this is so that I know where I'm going to line up these magnetic snaps. Now I'll do the top one because you can see it. You probably could have done this when you started. Let's have a look. So what you want to do, I might hold that with, there we go. So I'm just using my pointer here to hold it, and I'm going to mark whoops. Okay, that didn't work very well. That's quite funny. Okay, I probably should have used a pen. What we'll do, I'm going to just cut. So that we can put the prongs through. Okay. Okay, so you can see that's where the prongs have gone through, and then you're going to put the top piece on. You can fold out or you can fold in. Okay, and then we'll do the same here. Okay, so I've folded these ones back instead of going into the middle. I think they're going to hold better and it won't matter so much. I've just cut some felt circles out and they are going to just sit over. I'm going to glue those on and they'll sit over. So any glasses that you have in here are not going to be scratched by that. Okay, with the top one, let's have a look. So again, I'm going to fold those over and I'm just going to give them a little tap just to flatten them out. And I'm going to put a circle of the green over the top. Okay, so this is your round glasses case. You pop your glasses in. They just fit. Again, I've made the small one here, but you've got, you know, it's plenty big enough for reading glasses and whatnot. Obviously, the one issue with using the magnetic clasps is you've got this really ugly backing bit of the hardware. So what you could do is cut out in the same fabric, a wee circle, pop it on there. Or what would be really cool, which I thought would look quite nice, is a bow. How pretty is that? Now that is the bow from my paperclip pattern. It's not included in with this, but if you are one of my customers, I'm sure you have plenty of bow templates, so you could try all sorts of different things. But remember, you don't have to use the magnetic clip. You've got the option of using the Velcro, and you've also got the option, because I've got those wee holes there, of using plastic snaps, which I know a lot of you use. So really, you know, you have got these are three different templates, and will all come with and without holes for the rivets on the side, so you can choose to glue only if you want to. They'll come with the holes so that you can attach hardware or none, so you can put your Velcro on. But no, I hope that you enjoy making these. I've got so many of these now, so I'm going to be gifting them to people, and I can't wait to see what you post on my page. Thanks for watching.